For this pattern, you will need t-shirt yarn. I am using Jersey Be Good from Wool and the Gang. You'll also need a faux leather bag strap, 2 D hooks, or D rings, I should say, and a 9mm crochet hook and some scissors. I'll link where I got everything in the blog post, which will be linked in the description below. To start, make a slip knot and chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, make 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and then single crochet in the next 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then make 3 single crochet in this last chain. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you're going to rotate your work and work along the other side of the foundation chain. So you'll make 4 single crochet going across. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then make 2 single crochet in that last chain. So that means you'll have 3 single crochet total in this end chain and in the other end chain. So you'll have 3 single crochet on the ends and 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom. So now you're going to continue in a round. So in this next stitch, make 2 single crochet. And then single crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 single crochet in the next 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 single crochet going across the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. So 1, 2, and then in the next one, 1, 2. So at the end of round 2, you'll end up with 20 single crochet. And after round 1, you'll end up with 14 single crochet, I should have said. And then round 2, you end up with 20. So here's 20. And now we're going to keep going for round 3. So in round 3, you want to make 2 single crochet in that first stitch. And then make 1 single crochet in the next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and now make 2 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So this is 1, 2, make 2 single crochet in the next one, 1, 2, and then 2 single crochet in the next one, 1, 2, and now make 1 single crochet across the next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 2 single crochet over the next 2 stitches. 1, 2, and then 2 in the next one. One, 2. So at the end of round 3, you'll end up with 26 single crochet going all the way around. For round 4, you're not going to do any increases. You're just going to single crochet evenly around, but you're only going to enter the hook into the back loop only. So that's the front loop, this is the back loop. You're going to enter the hook through that back loop and make a single crochet. Same thing, enter in the back loop, and you'll just do that going all the way around. So you want to count until you have 26 stitches in the back loops going all the way around. All right, round 4 is done. You've entered in the back loops only, and now you're kind of forming what will be the sides of the bag. So for round 5, you'll make 2 single crochet in the next stitch, and then 1 single crochet over the next 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 2 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2, and then in the next one, 1, 2, in the next one, 1, 2, and then you're going to make 9 single crochet, or 1 single crochet, I should say, over the next 9 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, so then that's the end of round 5, which means that you'll have 32 stitches going all the way around. So now we're not going to be increasing anymore. You're just going to be making the sides of the bag. So at this point, you're just going to continue going in rounds, rounds and rounds and rounds, evenly crocheting all the way around. You're going to mark this first stitch here. I like to just take a piece of scrap yarn, pull it through, and you're going to keep going around from rows 6 all the way up to 15. So I'll meet you back here at the end of round 15. This is the end of row 15. So now you see how you form the sides of the bags. Kind of just remove the stitch marker, and now we're going to attach, for the next round, attach the D-rings and make the handles. So on the next stitch for round 16, and just make sure that it's really lined up with the sides, you're going to place the hook into the ring, into the loop, and then into the loop, and then pull a loop through, and pull that loop through the D-ring, yarn over, and single crochet that D-ring in. Then you're going to single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, and now make a chain of 9, a nice loose chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you're going to single crochet into that 10th stitch. 1 and then 2 more. 2, 3. And now attach the D-ring into the next stitch. So place it on the hook, insert into that next stitch, pull a loop through, and then pull that loop through the D-ring as well. Yarn over, make that single crochet, and then single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. And now chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Count across 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you'll insert in that 10th stitch. 1, make 2 more. 2, 3. Okay, so that's round 16. So round 17 will be the last round, and all you're going to do is single crochet evenly around. So you'll start by making a single crochet over the next bunch of stitches, and then once you get to the chain 9 space, you're going to make 9 single crochet into that chain 9 space, so going across. So you just insert into the big hole and then pull a loop through and go across with 9 single crochets. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then do the same thing going all the way around the bag. So single crochet evenly here, 9 across the chain, and then I'll meet you on the other side. All right, once you get to the last stitch, you're just going to make a slip stitch, yarn over, pull a loop through, and pull it nice and tight. Cut the end, and then you'll take this end piece and just weave down the side of the bag. Okay, and then last one, I usually leave a little extra inside the bag. Then you'll take your bag straps, hook them onto the D hooks, and then you are done. Such a sturdy, cute bag, perfect size for phone, wallet, keys, sunglasses, which is what I use it for. I love the handles. It's nice and soft. It's kind of casual, but also just nice and dressy in a way. So I really like it. It's so easy to make. Head over to crochetbycolleen.com, the link in the description for more details and the written pattern. Make sure to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know what kind of patterns you'd like to see next. Happy crocheting!